Catmint is beautiful, but only if you know where to plant it. Let's talk garden design that actually works. So in today's video, I would like to talk to you about catmint, a very popular perennial that you may already have in your garden. But the purpose of this video is where to plant it in your flower bed and flower border in order to get the most striking effect from those beautiful purple flowers. Now with catmint, companion plants are super important, and here is why. When you first buy the plant, it is very green and kind of lush looking, but once you plant it and it starts to grow, you will notice that it starts to expand those long stems of flowers. And if you look at each of those stems, you'll notice that they have very few leaves, and whatever leaves they have this silvery green color. Not very striking, not very strong. Because of that, it's very important what is behind and what is the background of those purple flowers, so that you actually create the contrast needed to have that purple pop. So sometimes I see a single catmint planted somewhere, maybe in a stony landscape, or maybe on the grass that is not very green but sort of yellowish. And what happens in those situations is that the color of this plant become muted and not very attractive, to be honest. So purple, if you look on the color wheel, has a complementary color, which is yellow. And this is one way to get a nice striking color from catmint. Like right here, I have it paired with this citrusy yellow yarrow, and it's a beautiful combination. But even more striking is tucking catmint in between two green perennials, which have either deep green color or lemony green color to almost mimic that complementary yellow. So once you have it tucked in between those two green colors, then all of a sudden you will notice the purple just light up. It's a huge difference when you have it against a brownish background versus rich or lemony green. And more importantly, when you look at this purple at dusk, surrounded by that rich green, you will see that it becomes almost translucent, it becomes glowing. It's just a beautiful, beautiful plant. And so here is an example of when I placed it in between two different green shrubs. It's doing great. I love it especially as part of the front of the border, where you can see those purple flowers almost spill on the path. And of course, these are beautiful plants next to roses. So here I have them next to Ambridge rose. You can plant them next to all of the different color roses. So it looks beautiful with yellows, with oranges, with pinks, with apricots, with deep purples. I mean, it is the plant of choice as a rose companion. I hope this video gave you some ideas on where to plant catmint to make it shine. For more garden design tips, subscribe to my channel. Happy gardening!